Math 10 Sequence Pre-Assessment Part 2. Number 8. Which term of the arithmetic sequence 4, 1, -2, and -5 is -29? So first, we'll write the formula of finding the n term of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then the given was 4, 1, -2, -5, and then up to -29. So we have 4 is the a sub 1, 1 is the a sub 2. Okay, so we'll replace a sub n with -29, then replace a sub 1 with 4, then replace the d with 1 minus 4 is -3. So -3. The same with -2 minus 1 is -3. So -29 is equal to 4 plus -3 times n is -3n. -3 times -1 is +3. -29 is equal to 4 plus 3. We have 7 minus 3n. In order to solve for n, we will make 7 into 0. So we will add an additive inverse of 7, which is -7. So we will add -7 to remain equal. So we have to add also -7 on the other side. So -7 minus 29 is -36. 7 minus 7 is 0, then -3n. So, and finally, to solve for n, we will divide both sides by -3. So, negative divided by negative is positive. 36 divided by 3 is 12. -3 divided by -3 is 1. So, n is equal to 12. If 1 is the coefficient, you don't need to write it. So, n is equal to 12. Therefore, the correct answer for 8 is the 12d, which is the 12 term. Okay, number 9. What is the sixth term of the geometric sequence 2/25, 2/5, 2, and 10? First, we will use the formula. I will write the given. A sub 1 is equal to 2/25. R is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. But it would be much faster if we will use a sub 4 over a sub 3. So, we can simply use a sub 4 over a sub 3. Anyway, it's still the same with a sub 2 over a sub 1. So, we have 10 over 2, which is equal to 5 because they are divisible both sides by 5. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So our r is 5. So the formula for finding the n term of a geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of quantity of n minus 1. So we're gonna solve for the sixth term. So we will replace all n with 6. So a sub 6 is equal to a sub 1, which is 2/25. Then r, which is 5, n is 6. A sub 6 is equal to 2/25 times 5 to the power of 5. A sub 6 is equal to 2/25. We have, remember, 5, we can simply have 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 5 is the same with 5 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 2. Because 5 to the power of 2 is 25, we can cancel that one and this one. So a sub 6 is equal to 2 times 5 to the power of 3. 5 to the power of 3 is 125 because 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. then 2 times 125. 125 times 2 is 250. Okay, so the answer is 250, which is letter B. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. You can just simply 2 times 5, do this one, 2 times 5, then 10 times 5, 50. Then that is for the 5th term. Then for the 6th term, 50 times 5 is 250. So let's proceed with number 10. I know there's an easier way to solve for that one, but what I'm trying to do is to write the complete solution. So the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 2, while the 18th term is 87. Find the common difference of the sequence. So the first term, a sub 1 is 2, and the a sub 18 is 87. Actually, I have the shortcut. We can use the shortcut. So, but if you want, we can also write the correct solution. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. So we will use of this one, make use of this one to solve for d. So a sub 18 is equal to a sub 1, which is 2, plus n is 18 minus 1 times d. And replace a sub 18 with 87. So is equal to 2 plus d times 18 is 18d. d times negative 1. We just have to add this one. 18 minus 1 is 17 times d is 17d. Then to solve for d, we'll eliminate this one, the coefficient. So to eliminate the coefficient, we will add negative 2. In order to maintain equality, we'll also add negative 2 on the other side. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 87 minus 2 is 85, is equal to 17d. Now divide both sides by 17. So 5 times 17 is 85. Therefore 85 divided by 17 is 5. So d is equal to 5. Now that we know that d is equal to 5, so this is the final answer. It's because find the common difference of the sequence. So the answer is letter C. Okay, as for the shortcut, this will be the shortcut. All you need to do is to, for example, you say this is the first term, then we have spaces, right? Actually, there are, let's say, we'll assume that this is a sub 18, which is 87. The number of spaces from a sub 1 to a sub 18 is actually 18 minus 1, 17. So the shortcut would be 87 minus 2, 85, divided by the number of spaces. Just like this one. It would be 85 divided by 17, and the answer is 5. So D is equal to 5. That will be the shortcut. Okay, number 11. What is the next term in the Fibonacci sequence? So 1, 1, 2, 3. We'll just write 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. Therefore, so 5 plus 8 is 13. So basically, the answer is letter A.